Did you accidentally delete your Xbox account? Don't worry! We'll show you how to recover it in just a few easy steps. First, visit the Microsoft Account Recovery page. This is your first step back into gaming. Enter your email or phone linked to your account. It's crucial to use the same details you used before. After that, you'll receive a security code via email or text. Check your messages promptly. Input the security code on the recovery page to verify your identity. This step is essential for your account's safety. Once verified, follow the prompts to restore your account, and you're back in the game. To avoid future issues, enable extra security features like two-factor authentication. Your account deserves the best protection. Keep your recovery options up to date. Add additional emails or phone numbers for more access points. Finally, regularly check your account activity for any suspicious changes. Stay vigilant. Your gaming experience is important. These simple steps can save you from future headaches. Remember, recovering your Xbox account is straightforward if you follow these guidelines. Good luck and happy gaming! For more tips, don't forget to subscribe.